again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the gallery with a funnel and a 16 by 20 inch canvas. Did I just say that twice? Chances are probably I did. I've got edge catchers. I've got a desire to float some paint. Actually, I want to put some more paint down. I have black paint that I bought before and mixed before Meeden paint. And I think I'm going to use it as my puddle paint to help float my funnel on. And I'm just going to use it all up. That's perfect. Look at that, the perfect amount of paint, except for those bubbles. Not what I was really after. I'll let that drain a little bit. And hopefully I can get a little tiny bit more of that out of there. In the meantime, I see all those bubbles, so let's just zap them with the torch. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of each, and my muse just told me to start with something weird, which is the Anita's White Metallic with a little tiny bit of pink in it. And a little bit of my Hobby Lobby brand Master's Touch orange that has iridescent pearl fine in it. And a little bit of the color I call Velveeta. And I found that I have some ancient white enamel, and I would like to use it without dropping anything into the painting, preferably. Now, using the enamel often makes cells, which is definitely part of this plan. But I'm also going to use the Hot Orchid from Color Art and force some of it down with a little bit of pressure. Right there. Followed by a little Folk Art Neon Purple. Now if I could stop myself from going too overboard, what are the chances? Then I could probably tip a lot of this. There's a little Prussian blue. I'm going to put that back so I can restrain myself. I don't have any of my Folk Art color shifting purple, but I think I'm going to try and live without it. I'm going to throw a little more black in there and a little more gold in there. A lot more gold is what I want. This is the Electric Blue. It's a metallic from Arteza. A little Chrysocolla, which is a green from Color Art. It's a Prism Pour 2. I don't know what this is going to be like. These colors might be horrible. I'm just putting in what I want at the time. I wish I had my black handy. I could probably use a little bit of Meeden black and just squeeze it right in there, because that will make cells also. I wanted some of the green gold from Folk Art, which is color shifting. Put that back. And finish up with the Cobalt Blue, which is actually a turquoise metallic from Artist Loft. I say finish off, and there's people who know me who are like, yeah, right. Well, I think I want to top this off with a little bit of purple. Because I can. The name of my first book, it's on the Amazon link on the link tree. The first blue link under the video is the link tree. Get my bottles out of the way for the most part. Turn my canvas. Do I have any more? I've got some more Meeden paint. I really want to use the Dioxazine Purple. There's a couple spots that I see that have a little canvas showing through, because this is not my Meeden Black. When I use the Meeden Black to prime a canvas, I get amazing blackness. I am just turning the funnel. I'm going to let that drain on my low-liffy silicone mat. Maybe it'll leave me some nice colors. I'm going to quick, like a bunny, hit this with a torch. I might pop some cells. I might do what I'm inclined to do, which is to add some more colors where I see I want them. And that might include a little more gold. Actually, I have this little bit of gold left. That's a golden product called iridescent gold. And now, if I can clear my path, I'm going to we got some really nice things happening there. I really need to go all the way to the edge. I'm going to lose all my black negative space, which is too bad because I'm really liking what I'm seeing a lot. I'm going to try and tip this toward the window light so you guys can see what's happening as best I can. Which is something I've never tried before. Now, if I want to tip that off, I need my edge catcher. And I'm really thinking that this is a risk. I want to tip all of that. Yeah, I know we lost our light. All the way over to the edge, rock it a little bit, and then send it right back. And hope to keep some of the beautiful stuff that's happening in there. Maybe we'll just go right across. I love the amount of gold I used in there. It's perfect. We are getting some really nice cells lacing throughout. I know I could cover the whole canvas, but I'd still really like to keep some negative space. So if I shift my paint all toward one side and it gets heavy toward the middle, then I can move all of that big wave of paint that's on my left, your right over to the edge catcher, rock it a little bit, and send it back again. Wow, I'm really happy with these colors. Really, really happy. What I'd like to do, if I could get away with it, is to let some of this color go off on that edge catcher and then put it back on again. But that's pretty risky. I'm going to let all that go back again. And then try and let everything go toward the center a little bit. Yeah, that's wishful thinking. I kind of want to torch again right now. I love the colors in here. Thank you, my muse. Okay, so I'm just going to let that go right back again because I really like the patterning. And I have to grab an edge catcher. It's really important. If I want it to go a certain way, I better pay close attention. I'm pretty happy with all of that. I'm going to grab my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I really feel like putting some paint right on the edge catcher and then taking it off, mixing it, but I put my colors away. Well, that might be a first, that I was frustrated by that, but I can always put some other colors, like some gold, maybe some gold. I can grab a color or two. That's basically just to camouflage where the paint wasn't as thick as I'd like it to be. And I'm likely to do it again. So So that, I like that. It reminds me an awful lot of what I did in the beginning. Some of my favorite pieces in the beginning looked very similar to this. I'm not doing that. I'm going to do something else. Just adding a little something up at the top to link that up. I'm really liking this purple down here, so I think I'm just going to take advantage of adding a little bit more. Because that's not bothering me, and as long as we're going there, let's just keep at it until my timer goes off. We got 5 minutes left. We can play a lot. Oh, and I've got paint dripping down. Now it's on my fingers. Actually, I need that for that edge right there. Cool. Now I've got paint on my hands. Okay then. So do I need to do anything else to this? It's a little interesting. Can I get any more out? Yes. Awesome. Now gold and black, even any black, pretty much consistently laces. So let's see what happens. Yep, I'm not minding that. Kind of thinking I might want to do something similar up at the top if I can get some black to come out. If I can't, I've always got that Meeden. Let's just do that. I could pick any color I wanted to go with this, and my eye keeps getting drawn to that incredibly beautiful pink, but I'm not sure I need it. I'm not sure I can restrain myself. Never mind. It's going to change when I blow into it anyway. The thing I love about the hot orchid is it stains things beautifully. Yeah, now I'm just playing. Maybe a little more of that too. Kind of want to use a skewer, but I think I can also just take one of my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas. Good tools, by the way. They're on my Amazon link. My Amazon link, I think I told you, is on the link tree. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. If you have an interest in helping me out and maybe helping yourself out, and you're interested in one of my paintings, every month there is a drawing, and you can see what's available to the person whose name is drawn in the drawing. On the exhibition video at the very beginning, that's not open. Come on, open up. No, you're not opening. Come on. Okay. Now I'm just having my way with my art. I want more of that color. I love, love, love this color. Should I put it up there? No. I really want that bottle of Venetian blue open. I meant to put some white metallic in and I pretty much forgot. Oh, there, my brake just released. There we go, I got it back again. So this is cool. It's not keeping me from wanting some more of that white metallic though. Do I have any more black? I'm loving this. I seriously am. I like adding little weird details. Oh, we got some really cute little cells going on over there. So what else should I tell you? I should tell you that I have spring clothing below the video, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Worth a look. If money is not an object, you might want to check out my Gallerist, where I put some of my favorite art onto dresses, kimono tops, and the like. I think I'm almost done. I don't know what to do about this because I really want that to have a little bit of gold so that it doesn't get lost in the painting. I've got 2 minutes and I'm having, oh, I hope this dries nicely because this is gorgeous. I just love this. Ha! If I could only remember exactly how I dropped things into the funnel, I'd be all set. Got beautiful big cells and beautiful lacing, some huge cells. I'm not even tempted to put a spiral in there, if that's a lie. There's bound to be a place for one. I keep seeing that up there. So you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Remember that I have over 2,000 videos and they're organized by topic and genre and playlists of 100 each. And you can find them by going to my YouTube channel. All playlists, created playlists, and you'll find them there. And if you can't find what you're looking for, please ask me because I have them all. All my links are saved elsewhere also. And it makes it very easy to find what you're looking for. On my Linktree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, my website are all there. If you're looking for Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Fans and Collectors is a place to shop. Pixels.com and Fine Art America, where there's over 1,500 items. This is so cool. I love those little pink cells in there. Wow. I just want to keep torching and hoping I stimulate something. But I'm not sure what I really need to stimulate because I've got such nice things already. So where was I? Please like my videos with a thumbs up. Please share them if you're of a mind to. It's a big help, very much of an assistance. If you watch them longer, it's the biggest assistance of all. Tomorrow's video will be posted on my community board most days. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. My email address, should you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, is below the link tree. You have to click show more, but you'll also find my paint pouring description recipe and my cell activator recipe as well. Thank you guys for all the donations that help keep me painting. Thank you for all of the wonderful comments. I am totally smitten. These are really different colors and really different configuration. I was ready for funnel pour. I don't know about you. I love funnel pours. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. If there's something I forgot over there, I should tell you now what it is. My Amazon link. If you shop there, it's at no what it costs you. My 2 books are there, volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Make sure to check out that exhibition video on the end screen in the last 20 seconds. Right at the beginning, you'll find the prizes for next month's. PayPal and Patreon are the icons to use there on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And if you do make a donation to help keep the studio making tutorials and buying art supplies to make tutorials with, then you will be automatically entered in that monthly drawing just by making a contribution. I've